Quick and healthy breakfast ideas for busy mornings. Imagine this. It's morning, the alarm rings, and from the moment your feet hit the floor, it's a race against time. You're juggling a million tasks, getting ready, organizing the kids or pets, mentally ticking off that endless to-do list. And where does breakfast fit in? It usually doesn't. Sound familiar? But here's the thing. Skipping breakfast might seem like a small compromise to save a few minutes, but it leaves you paying the price later. Without that morning fuel, your body and mind end up running on fumes, leaving you more likely to grab sugary snacks and feel that dreaded energy crash way before lunch. Now, what if there was a way to get all the benefits of a nutritious breakfast without the morning chaos? In today's video, we're unlocking quick and healthy breakfast ideas crafted exactly for busy mornings. These recipes are fast, satisfying, and packed with nutrients to energize your day. Whether it's overnight prep or a quick blend-and-go smoothie, each option is designed to make breakfast a breeze. So if you've been looking for breakfasts that don't just fill you up, but set you up for a successful day, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have easy, delicious solutions that fit seamlessly into even the busiest routines. Let's dive in and transform your mornings with breakfasts that work as hard as you do. Before we dive into these awesome breakfast ideas, I'd like to ask a quick favor. If these tips are making your mornings easier, take a moment to check if you're already subscribed to the channel. That way, you won't miss any new content, and you're helping keep this kind of material available for you and for anyone else who could use a little extra help on busy mornings. Are you with me? A bowl with oats, seeds, and fresh fruit. One hand adding milk or Greek yogurt. Picture this. A cozy, inviting kitchen in the quiet of evening, where you're setting up a breakfast that will be ready and waiting for you in the morning. You grab a small mason jar or a simple bowl, and into it goes a handful of oats, followed by a spoonful of chia seeds. You add in your favorite milk, almond, oat, or regular, pouring it over the oats until they're just covered. This is the beginning of what's known as overnight oats, the ultimate breakfast for anyone seeking convenience and nutrition without sacrificing flavor. The beauty of overnight oats lies in their simplicity. You're prepping everything the night before, letting the oats and chia seeds soak in the milk, becoming creamy and soft as they absorb the liquid. By morning, the oats are perfectly tender, with a satisfying texture that's both smooth and hearty. When you wake up, all that's left to do is open the fridge, take out your jar, and add a handful of fresh, vibrant toppings. Maybe you reach for strawberries, sliced bananas, or blueberries. Whatever fruit you love. A drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of cinnamon takes it to the next level, enhancing the natural sweetness and bringing out the cozy flavors. Each spoonful is a mix of creamy oats, juicy fruit, and a hint of spice or sweetness, making it feel like a mini celebration of flavor. In under 3 minutes, you have a refreshing, nutritious breakfast that not only fills you up, but also provides long-lasting energy. The oats are rich in fiber, helping you stay full, while the chia seeds add a boost of omega-3s and protein. The milk or yogurt brings in a smooth, creamy texture and additional protein, creating a balanced meal that fuels your body and mind. The best part? There's no cooking, no rushing, and no stress. Just a wholesome breakfast that's ready whenever you are. Overnight oats are ideal for anyone with a busy schedule, or anyone who values a slow, peaceful start to the day without sacrificing nutrition. Whether you're heading to work, school, or simply want to start your day strong, this recipe has you covered. So tonight, try setting up a bowl of overnight oats. By tomorrow morning, you'll see just how easy, delicious, and satisfying breakfast can be. A blender filled with frozen fruit, leafy greens, plant-based milk, and some ginger. Close-up of the blender in action. Imagine a blender on your kitchen counter, filled with a vibrant mix of ingredients, frozen bananas and berries, a handful of fresh leafy greens like spinach or kale, a splash of plant-based milk, and just a touch of grated ginger. As you hit the blend button, the ingredients whirl together, creating a creamy, colorful smoothie bursting with flavors and nutrients. This is the classic smoothie, one of the easiest and most versatile breakfast options that's ready in under a minute. The foundation of this smoothie starts with frozen fruits. Bananas lend a creamy texture and natural sweetness, while berries add a tart, refreshing taste and a powerful dose of antioxidants. The greens, like spinach or kale, blend seamlessly into the smoothie, giving it a nutrient boost without overpowering the flavor. They add fiber, vitamins A and C, and even a bit of iron to help you feel energized and satisfied. For an extra dose of protein, add a scoop of Greek yogurt or a tablespoon of nut butter, like almond or peanut butter. This addition not only makes the smoothie more filling, but also gives it a richer texture and a hint of that nutty flavor. The plant-based milk or water helps bring everything together, creating a smooth, drinkable consistency that's neither too thick nor too runny. Perfect for sipping on the go. And here's where it gets even more interesting: a touch of fresh ginger. This small addition brings a subtle spice and freshness that balances the sweetness of the fruits. Plus, ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can give you an extra boost to start the day. Once it's all blended, you have a drink that's packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, a powerhouse of nutrition in a single cup. It's creamy, refreshing, and perfectly balanced, with just the right amount of sweetness, earthiness from the greens, and that zing of ginger. The best part of this smoothie is its convenience. Pour it into a travel cup or bottle, and you're set. You can take it with you on your morning commute, to the gym, or even enjoy it while catching up on emails. It's a breakfast that adapts to your busy lifestyle, making it easier to stay healthy and energized no matter where your morning takes you. So, the next time you need a quick breakfast that doesn't compromise on nutrition, reach for the blender and create this simple, delicious smoothie. In just 1 minute, you'll have a nourishing drink that's as vibrant as it is satisfying. A plate of whole grain toast topped with avocado, scrambled eggs, and sesame seeds. The image focuses on the hands of the preparer and the fresh ingredients. Imagine a warm, hearty slice of whole grain toast fresh out of the toaster, ready to be transformed into a nourishing breakfast. First, there's the avocado, creamy, ripe, and perfectly green. You scoop out half of it, mash it gently with a fork, adding a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper to bring out its natural earthy flavor. The result is smooth and rich, just right for spreading generously over the toast, covering every inch of the crunchy, nutty bread beneath. Then it's time for the eggs. With just a couple of quick moves in the pan, you scramble them into soft, delicate curds that are fluffy yet substantial. It only takes about 2 minutes to cook them to perfection, leaving them light and just slightly golden. As you spoon them onto the toast, they settle into the avocado, forming a beautiful contrast of colors and textures. The sunny yellow of the eggs against the vibrant green of the avocado, all resting atop the rustic toast. For the final touch, sprinkle a handful of sesame seeds or chia seeds on top. These little seeds not only add a satisfying crunch, but also bring in a wealth of nutrients, from fiber and healthy fats to minerals like calcium and iron. They're small but mighty, adding the extra layer of nourishment to an already balanced meal. In just a few simple steps, you've created a breakfast that's filling, full of flavor, and packed with nutrients. The whole grain toast offers complex carbs and fiber, the avocado gives you healthy fats and potassium, and the eggs provide a solid dose of protein. It's a combination designed to keep you full and energized, with each ingredient playing a role in supporting your body and mind for the day ahead. This is a breakfast that feels like a treat, but takes only minutes to make. There's something so satisfying about the creaminess of the avocado blending with the egg's fluffy texture, all atop that hearty, slightly crisp toast. And with the sesame seeds adding a nutty flavor and crunch, it's a bite that hits every note: savory, creamy, crunchy, and deeply satisfying. So if you're looking for a breakfast that's quick yet substantial, that nourishes without sacrificing taste, try this simple avocado and scrambled egg toast. It's a small ritual that can set the tone for a healthier, more energized day, with each bite reminding you that eating well doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes, it's as simple as good ingredients coming together on a piece of toast. Hands placing ready-made egg muffins into a container to store in the refrigerator. Imagine setting yourself up for a whole week of effortless breakfasts, all with just a bit of prep on the weekend. You start by cracking a dozen fresh eggs into a large bowl, whisking them until smooth and airy, the perfect base for these make-ahead breakfast egg muffins. Next, you chop up your favorite mix-ins: vibrant green spinach for a boost of vitamins, juicy red tomatoes that add a pop of flavor and color, and maybe some shredded cheese for a hint of creaminess. A sprinkle of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and any other seasonings you like. Maybe a touch of garlic powder or a dash of paprika. Give the eggs a flavorful lift. Now it's time to assemble. You carefully pour the egg mixture into each muffin cup, filling them halfway to leave room for those tasty add-ins. Each cup gets a handful of spinach, a few tomato chunks, and a sprinkle of cheese, creating little pockets of flavor that will bake into each muffin. After about 20 minutes in the oven, the kitchen fills with the warm, inviting aroma of eggs and melted cheese. The muffins puff up beautifully, golden around the edges, with the cheese melted to perfection and the vegetables nestled inside. Once they're cooled, you pop each muffin out and place them in an airtight container, ready to store in the fridge. This is meal prep at its finest, a whole week's worth of breakfast in one easy batch. In the mornings, all you need to do is grab a muffin or two, give them a quick reheat, and breakfast is served. No cooking, no rushing, just a simple, nutritious breakfast waiting for you. Each muffin is packed with protein, fiber, and essential vitamins, making it an ideal on-the-go option for busy mornings. The eggs provide long-lasting energy and keep you feeling satisfied, while the veggies and cheese add bursts of flavor and nutrients. And because they're stored in the fridge, these muffins stay fresh for days, so you can enjoy a healthy, homemade breakfast without any extra hassle during the week. So if you're looking for a breakfast that's both convenient and nourishing, these egg muffins are a perfect choice. With just a little prep, you'll have delicious protein-packed breakfasts at your fingertips, ready whenever you need them. A bowl of Greek yogurt and cut-up fruit next to a handful of granola. Picture this: a bowl simple and elegant, with a creamy base of Greek yogurt, thick, rich, and full of natural goodness. You scoop it out with ease, watching it settle into the bowl with that perfectly smooth, satisfying texture. Greek yogurt, known for its high protein content, is the ideal foundation for this breakfast, giving you that feeling of fullness and energy to start the day strong. Next, you reach for a handful of fresh, vibrant fruit. Maybe it's juicy strawberries, plump blueberries, or a sliced ripe banana, each adding a burst of natural sweetness and color. The fruits bring more than just flavor. They're packed with antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins that nourish your body and brighten up the yogurt. Each piece of fruit is like a gem, adding its own unique sweetness, acidity, and texture to the creamy yogurt. Finally, it's time for the finishing touch: granola. You sprinkle it over the top, letting it fall naturally, adding a delightful crunch that contrasts perfectly with the softness of the yogurt and fruit. The granola, with its blend of oats, nuts, and perhaps a hint of honey, adds layers of texture and taste, making each bite an experience. It's not just a topping, it's what brings the whole bowl together, adding wholesome grains and a hint of sweetness without overwhelming the natural flavors. This breakfast is as easy as it is nourishing. In less than a minute, you have a balanced meal that's packed with protein from the Greek yogurt, fiber from the fruit, and complex carbs from the granola. Each spoonful gives you a mix of flavors and textures: the creaminess of the yogurt, the juiciness of the fruit, and the satisfying crunch of the granola. What makes this classic breakfast so timeless is its simplicity and versatility. You can switch up the fruits with the seasons, add a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of cinnamon for extra flavor, or even toss in a few nuts or seeds for added nutrition. It's a breakfast that adapts to your taste and preferences, always fresh, always delicious. So, if you're looking for a morning meal that requires no cooking, no fuss, and gives you a burst of energy and satisfaction, Greek yogurt with fruit and granola is the way to go. It's a reminder that sometimes, the simplest breakfasts can be the most satisfying, bringing together flavors that are wholesome, nourishing, and delicious in every bite. See how easy it is? With these quick and healthy breakfast ideas, you can enjoy a nutritious start to your day, even on the busiest mornings. Whether you're in a rush or have a bit more time to spare, there's always an option that fits your schedule. From the simplicity of overnight oats to the creamy goodness of a smoothie, or the classic combination of Greek yogurt with fruits and granola. Each one is designed to be easy, delicious, and packed with the nutrients your body needs to power through your day. And the best part? You don't have to stick to just one. You can mix and match these breakfast options throughout the week, so you're never bored and always looking forward to your next meal. One day you can have a satisfying bowl of overnight oats topped with fresh fruit. The next, a vibrant smoothie, and then a classic avocado toast with scrambled eggs. It's all about variety and making sure you're fueling your body with the right balance of protein, fiber, healthy fats, and vitamins. You'll start to notice the difference, not just in your energy levels, but in how your body feels throughout the day. When you nourish yourself with the right foods in the morning, your focus improves, you're more productive, and your body feels energized, ready to take on whatever comes your way. These small changes can make a big impact on your overall well-being. So, let me know in the comments which of these recipes you're going to try first. Is it the overnight oats, the smoothie, or maybe the egg muffins? Whatever it is, I'd love to hear about it. And if you know someone who could use some simple, practical breakfast ideas, make sure to share this video with them. After all, everyone deserves a healthy, delicious breakfast to start their day right. Remember, taking just a few minutes in the morning to eat something nourishing can set the tone for the whole day. You've got this. Now it's time to make those mornings work for you.